Valentine's is definitely one of my favorite holidays. When I was younger, my sisters and I used to handcraft cards and put them into special little Valentine mailboxes, and it was so much fun to share those cards with family and friends at school. I also love to make little vignettes around the house, and I'm really into chalkboard paint right now. I love all the different ways that you can use it, so I have an idea to share. I love to recycle projects that I already have to create new looks for new holidays. These are square wood blocks that I painted with chalk paint several years ago to spell out the word gratitude. What I want to show you today is how you can change these into a Valentine theme. I am using the chalk markers, which I love on the chalk paint. On these wood pieces, I used just the brush-on paint, and you do want to use a really good quality brush-on chalk paint because I have found that these chalk markers can actually stain some of the chalk paint if it's not really good quality. So what I did is I wrote on these, let's see if I can get this spelled right. So on the opposite side of where I had gratitude, I changed it to Valentine with a little heart. So that's one way that you can upcycle and reuse and change up some of the projects that you already have. What I'm going to put with this, because I love to create table toppers, what I want to do is take just a candle and use my chalkboard contact paper. So I pulled the label off the candle, and I'm going to put my chalk paint paper. Of course, this is self-adhesive, and so you just put it right on to your surface. What I love about this is that you can put it onto glass, where it's not so easy to paint onto glass. It's possible, but it's very easy when you use your chalk for that paint to come off of glass. So get yourself a roll of the contact paper that's the chalkboard finish, and it's perfect. So I put that onto my little candle, and what I want to do is write "Be My Valentine." So you just use your chalk pens and write your letters, and be sure when you add another color, like I'm going to add white onto this, that you let your colors, your chalk ink, dry in between, because the white marker would pick up this color. So I just do my lettering, I thicken those lines, let this dry completely. That's what I've done on this one. So what I want to do is grab my white marker and just come in and start adding my accents so that this matches my blocks. Isn't this the easiest? And how cool to be able to use these for all sorts of holidays throughout the year. Of course, what is so cool about these chalk markers is that you can just use a wet wipe then and take the letters off. If you make a mistake, you can just wipe them off. So here's the one that I just did, or actually this one's dry. Let's go ahead and do this one. And you can just wipe it right off with a wet wipe and start all over again. The other thing that you can do, which is really cool here, is I love these SRM stickers. And take your label off of your candle, and then you can add these stickers, which are really cool, to personalize them. These are clear on the background, so they're perfect for glass. So I'll just add this onto my candle to personalize it for Valentine's. So what you can do is you can display these all as a table topper, which is great around the house entry table or kitchen counter to celebrate the holiday. I hope that Valentine's and every day are special for you. Will you be my Valentine? I'm Tiffany Windsor, and I think it's cool to craft.